Hello Internet. Today I'll be discussing the selection of a right variety uh, for a uh, successful brinjal cultivation. There are something why I'm showing you. This is actually G5, which I have already uh, shown in many of the videos. And G5, how I put them into field and how I grow those G5 Tokita hybrid, F1 hybrid, and how I put them in field and what is the result I got actually. This is G5. Okay, the result is not at all encouraging, but it reveals a lot more things uh, which prime field of my interest, that is resistance. Resistance plays a role, great role. This Tokita G5 is maybe F1 hybrid, but the resistance is not there. It is not sustaining the pest population, mostly sucking pest, aphids or dacids. You can compare as I see this field and those shivering plants, the what we say crunchy and not crunchy, exactly the word is those ପତ୍ର ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ମୋଚା ହେଇଯିବା ଯେଉଁଟା କୁହନ୍ତି. You see these leaves are not as plain like this. This is a VNR grafted brinjal. This is a VNR grafted brinjal. And obviously when that photosynthetic surface is not properly developed, obviously it has an impact on its production. And this is that VNR, this is grafted VNR. You can observe this plant, the single plant, and it is giving, it already have given me kgs of fruits. The production is so high and so nice, and also those black brinjals of VNR, and this is the white brinjal of VNR. You see, I'm showing you one brinjal, this one, such a huge and big fruit. This is white VNR, and this plant also giving lot of, and actually the conclusion what I draw when I see this stunted plant affected with sucking pest, and very difficult that they will survive. If so, then lot of weeding and a lot of more operations they require. And I think this plant and this plant this is the only product. So one product from one plant, you see, it's not at all encouraging. So my belief for those F1 hybrids and brinjal is again diminishing. You see this plant, it is affected with sucking pest, then ants, पिंपुड़ी सकिंग पेस्ट को खाया चल आफिड गुड़ा तापर ये पत्र कौन कर देखो what they have done to this leaf surface, and what result you expect, because we cannot apply any medicines. This is the only fruit, and what I will expect from this. And this is also another field of G5F1. So the G5F1 or any hybrid, you have to think twice whether you have to go for it without medicine in organic farming, or you should go for grafted brinjal. My conclusion is that you go for grafted brinjal. Again, I'll be talking about the grafted brinjal, and it's what those nursery people they are doing. Another video. Let me stop here and I'll start about this grafted brinjal and how to select them.